God damn it. Are you deafened, Maeve?
No.
Why not? Hit it! Hit it! Hit it! Hit it! Hit it! Yeah. Come on, Sonny. Ow. Oh my god. This is breaking already.
Julie, I'm right here.
Fernandito.
I have to fight. I can get through. Where's this go?
They know exactly what they were doing with the fucking crawl space animation for Julie.
Let's go this way. Oh. Hello. Oh, is she gonna go around? Oh, quick. Get it. Quick, quick, quick. Oh, hello.
Just keep an eye out for me, Fernando.
Where'd you go?
Come back down the tunnel. Just before where we got that tool.
Yeah, I'm coming. I disabled one of the
Oh, I hear
noise traps on the...
Oh, she's right next to me, I'm dead. Oh, she didn't notice. That was me, I've got a door open anyway. It's a ladder one as well, she can't follow us up. Maybe he's close to this door though, so just be careful.
Oh, yes, let's go. Right, upstairs, quick. Quick, quick, quick. Ah, finally outside. What do I... Let's go through this thing here. Ah, get up! I need to find a fuse or something.
Did you end up finding that door, man? Yeah, Mitchell.
Hello. Kind of scared me a little bit. Not gonna lie. Have you seen
Yeah, she's
Fernando?
still in the basement.
Do you have a unlocking tool?
Yes, there's a thing over this way.
Oh, like a fuse box?
No, like another toolbox.
Oh, yes. I'm gonna try and find fuses.
You can get multiple uses out of those toolboxes. Are you trying to find the fuses or the fuse box?
Fuse box and fuses.
I just went through that crawl space by the gate.
Alrighty. Let's check in here. Close that. Can I get in here? Oh.
I got this.
Should I go? Oh, I don't know if I should go in there or not.
Found a fuse. I don't actually know how to do the fuse thing yet. Not done it.
Connie.
Huh?
Over here.
Someone near me?
Stay quiet.
Oh, I can hear her. Oh, she figured it out. We're upstairs, outside. Oh no.
Oh yeah, she's near me. She might be below me. I don't hear her chance. Oh no, I do. I think she's
To
up.
me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That is exterior.
Yeah, I'm right next to her.
Oh my god. She's right next to me. Okay.
Just keep your head
Run!
clear.
Run, Sonny!
You can do this.
Ah, bro. She is so scary. I can hear her, but I can't see her. That's terrifying. I need to find a fuse. Someone out here somewhere? Man, I hope there's something out here that I can use. Like a fuse? Or a fuse box.
Look at this.
Yeah, she went on the building on my, like, where I'm looking at.
don't actually know where you went, to be honest.
I'm like in the bush on your left of the fuse box. I don't know if you can see me. I walked out.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, she's like opposite to that. Yeah. So it'll be like a total number
Mm.
under the thing, and you just got to make that number.
She destroyed that. Lovely.
She's like opposite to that. Yeah.
I can hear someone.
It'll be like a total
Is that
number
Fernando?
under the thing, and you just got to make that number and follow the colors.
Oh, there you guys are.
How's it going,
Cool.
brother?
You guys?
So
Yeah,
behind me is also the pressure door exit.
Little chicken shit.
This will open up an exit through the slaughterhouse, I believe.
Well, it's done.
Basement exit open. Yeah, that's what Valve does.
There's a well near us.
If
Just
you
there.
fix the fuse. So we can jump in the well.
Yeah.
So, do we need another fuse?
No.
It's done.
Oh, okay. Well, let's go jump in the well.
Do you still have a valve?
Why the
Do we?
hell
We
did
don't need that, do
end
we?
up here?
No.
The valve is for the top.
Yeah. Oh fuck! That was abrupt. Oh, hello. Maybe
Ow.
don't fucking land on me.
I didn't mean to, sorry.
Oh, where'd you go? Oh, here's the thing. Mitchell. The valve
Exit?
exit. It's right, the valve thing's right here.
There's health here.
Oh. Yeah, I'll grab this. I'm gonna use it.
I can use this.
So where's? Do you know where the fuse exit is? So.
Nope. I think that was it there.
Yeah,
I don't know if you saw it.
Oh yeah, I
the
saw that.
highlighted one.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's a while away, but yeah.
Is she down here?
I don't think so.
It's just my mind playing tricks on me.
Fellas, bad news.
What?
It took too long and it closed.
All right. Well, Mitchell's got a valve, and we know where that is.
I don't, actually.
Do you not have the valve?
No. I know where it is, though.
Yeah. Is it the way you swap that out?
No. It's outside.
Oh. Okay. Well, I also
It's
know where
near
one.
the, grandpa.
Okay. I don't actually know where he is, but I do know where about the outside is.
Well, he's above the fuse box.
Ah.
Because I can see,
Yeah.
people through walls and shit.
Fucking cheater. I'm gonna use this health real quick and grab that. Well, there was one by that pressure gate exit as well. Just on the, like, if we go to the left, there's one as well. I might go for that.
Oh, yeah. I'll go grab the other one then.
Yeah, just in case. There's a health by me too.
Ah. What?
What?
Fucking blocked off the exit.
Oh, she's near me. I think she's in the building next to me. Yeah, she is. She doesn't see me, does she? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. She's at the She's at the pressure. She's at the pressure gate.
Oh, how does she not see me?
Please.
How does she not see me?
Please.
Oh, she sees me! She sees me! Fuck! Go, go, quick! Oh my god, my heart. I'm gonna hide in here. Holy fuck. I'm scared to move.
She's still around the area of Grandpa.
I can hear her.
Yeah, I'm dropping down a well now, so I won't set the thing off until you guys are ready to go though. So just let me know.
Yeah, I see her. She's right behind this building.
Yep, I'm ready to set this off whenever. Actually, I need to quickly map my way out so I can
Now this is a way out.
my way out. So
Nice.
Careful, yeah, she's on the opposite side of the building.
Oh, okay. Alright. I'm just gonna close this door sector so she doesn't get suspicious. So she doesn't fucking chase after me.
Yeah, 2 is it. Yeah, this is sort of a door. I don't hear the chainsaw anymore. Opening the gate. If you're coming through, you gotta close it behind me.
Right, well, I'm ready whenever.
Yeah, already
Yeah.
opened it. Yeah.
Sorry, I'm fucking trying to remember where that gate is that we used to go up. I don't remember where. Did we go this way?
Yeah, it's where you did the fuse.
Yeah, no, I got it. Alright. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Alright. Obviously it won't do it immediately.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to be... Oh, she might be coming down here. She's down here. Fuck.
Oh no.
Oh,
Hold on.
She's going back up.
Okay.
But she's on the staircase that I need to go in.
Well, there's two at least, so...
Yeah, but I don't know where the other fucking... I don't hear it. Alright, I'm doing it.
Is there something up here?
Grandma's up there.
No, I was gonna say if she's down there, I can go near a chicken and try and alert it. Oh no, she's up top. I hear her.
Alright, I set it off. Oh, she closed the gate, bitch. That's
No.
made noise though.
It takes time to open. Yeah.
Oh my god, she can see me! She can see me! Quick!
She hasn't seen me. She hasn't seen me.
Holy fuck. Hello.
She's like camping the gate, I think.
Yeah, actually now she's running left side.
Yeah, she just chased me. Go poke it.
We've just got to get close and go for a mad dash. We can take a hit or two.
Gate's almost open.
Oh, it's,
Camping.
yeah, it's open.
She's
Go,
searching.
boys.
She's
Go,
searching.
go.
Run!
Go boys! Go boys! Go boys! Run!
Doctor, hit me. Fuck.
Oh, no.
I'm sorry, I tried to be toxic. I tried to stab her, but it didn't come up with the prompt.
I was like, yes!
Yes, boys. Let's fucking go.
Go boys. Well done.
Jesus Christ.
That was so boring. I
Oh,
couldn't
man.
find you guys anyway.
Bro, you were next to us a lot. A couple of times anyway.
Did you see me in that bush right at the end, mate?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Very easy to see your
I
blackhead.
You racist bitch.
I'm not being racist, I'm just being honest.
And also racist.
Like it stuck out like a needle. Well, a needle
Needle in a haystack?
on a table. No, a needle on a table with nothing else around.